Marlon Brando stars in the movie that won 8 Oscars, including Best Picture. The story of a mafia don with strange habits. Marlon Brando is the fairy godfather.
Gino, I'm glad you came to see me on this matter. I'm going to make you an offer you can't refuse. You and me, alone tonight, for a candlelight dinner. Afterwards, a little dancing. Maybe a moonlight stroll.
Geez, I don't know, fairy godfather. I'd have to think about that a little bit.
You got nothing to think about. It's all been set up. Meet me here tonight at 8 o'clock and wear something tight.
The fairy godfather. He runs a mob family that specializes in revenge.
Eddie, when I said I wanted Head in his bedroom, I meant me, not the horse.
Tonight, don't miss Marlon Brando as the fairy godfather and find out what happens to those who cross him.
Get me Lance the decorator on the phone. He sent over the wrong curtains again, and I'm not happy with the way the couch clashes with the ottoman.
Tonight, don't miss the fairy godfather.